12th one. A body is projected with velocity v1 from point A as shown in figure. At same time, another body is projected vertically upward from B with velocity v2. The point B is exactly below the highest point. Point B is exactly below the highest point. For both the bodies to collide, what should be v2 v1? अभी हाईएस्ट पॉइंट के ये ऊपर निकल गया तो कोलाइड नहीं होगा. हेलो आयुष.
Yes, sir.
Where they will collide? When it
On
meets,
the trajectory.
that means on the trajectory, correct. So at highest point they will collide with each other. At highest point they will collide with each other. So at highest point, vertical distance covered by this as well as this v1 वाला should be same to same, तभी मिलेगा इधर. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So both will collide if both covers same vertical distance, that is maximum height. One is thrown vertically upward, other is thrown inclined. So its component will be v1 sine 30. So distance covered by first one will be s1 equals to ut plus half at square, or you can say v square equal to u square plus 2as. Both will cover same distances when they meet, and time taken is also same. This line clear? Both will collide if both cover same vertical distance, that is maximum height.
Yes.
Now tell me formula for displacement. Can I say it is ut plus half at square? But time is missing. I won't take that. Then which formula I should take? Hello, which formula I can take?
V square is U square.
Square is equal to
Square.
u square plus 2as. Distance covered is same. So if I consider this, then v square minus u square upon 2a equals to s. Both are covering same distance. और directly if I think इसका maximum height का formula है अपने पास. What is that formula? If you remember, u square sine square theta 0 upon 2g. Correct? 2g. So therefore this will be u square is v1 square sine square 30 upon 2g. Let this be equation 1. And for second body which is thrown with v2 needs here, the first one maximum height we got sine square theta 0 upon 2b, that is v1 square sine square theta is 30 upon 2. For v2 what you will take to get maximum height? थोड़ा सोचो फिर ना डाउट भी क्लियर हो जाएगा दिमाग से.
V2 square by 2g.
क्यों v2 square by 2g? क्यों?
Sir, because sin 90 है.
Sin 90 is v2 square upon 2g because sin 90 बराबर सोचा है. So first वाले के लिए v1 square upon 2g, also h will be v2 square sine square 90 upon 2g equation 2. So from 1 and 2 we get v1 square sine square 30 upon 2g is v2 square sine square 90 upon 2. See, this is dangerous chapter we are doing. Every sum will be new, but formula will be minimum. सोचना बहुत पड़ेगा इसमें. So this is v1 square upon v2 square sine 90 is 1, sine 30 is half, इसका square 1 by 4, which is 4 by 1. So v1 upon v2 is 2 by 1. 2 is to 1 is the required answer. Option A. After this I am doing 13 because many of you have not got.
Sir, they have asked V2 by V1.
So 1 by 2 there. So that is v2 upon v1 will become 1 by 2. If done, then say so that I will clear.
Done, sir.
13. Are student got 13 you said? Huh?
Yes, sir.
A body is moving according to the equation x equals to 80 plus bt square minus ct cube, where x is displacement, ABC are constant, and what is acceleration? Ashlesha, you got this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Those who are slightly good in maths, I think they will get. Velocity is rate of change of displacement and acceleration is rate of change of velocity. मतलब दो बार डेरिवेटिव वाला सम है ये मैथ्स रिलेटेड. व्हाट इज 80 का डेरिवेटिव? कैन यू टेल? 80 डेरिवेटिव a, correct. And bt square 2bt ct cube minus 3 ct square. I think this much you follow.
Yes, sir.
Again, if I take derivative, a is 0, 2bt is 2b minus 6 ct. So 2b minus 6 ct is there. That is our required answer. C is done. 2b minus 6. So
Done, sir.
after this, which sum you want?
23.
Anybody wants other than that? Or directly can I come to 23?
So 23 only.
Please don't feel ashamed to ask anything. Whatever may be the condition, you have to snatch that doctor wala ideology. A body of mass m is projected horizontally with velocity v from the top of tower. From the top of tower of height h, a body of mass m is projected horizontally with velocity v. It reaches the ground at distance x from the foot of the tower. This is foot of the tower. रिएक्शन देखो टाइम पास वापस कराएंगे. Just now you did at 12 o'clock lecture and you might have asked somebody what sir told and you might have sent the paper right now. 12 o'clock was lecture, it is not at 12:30. A body of mass m is projected with velocity v from the top of tower of height h and it reaches the ground at distance x from the foot of tower. If a second body of mass 2m is projected horizontally from the top of tower of height 2h, top of tower mass 2m, it reaches the ground at distance 2h from the foot. The horizontal velocity of second body is found. What is velocity of this body? This is horizontal velocity given and this is horizontal distance given. Here this we have to calculate, but distance covered is given 2x. When body is following projectile motion, then it will have horizontal as well as vertical displacement. So vertically it is coming down by h, horizontally it is going forward by x if horizontal velocity is v. So for horizontal motion, distance covered s is ut plus half at square. Distance covered is x. U is v. E is time I don't know. And acceleration is 0. So t equal to x upon g. In same time, it is covering height h. So for vertical motion, s is ut plus half at square. So height is h in downward direction minus u is 0 plus half minus g into t we got x upon v. Therefore minus h is minus g x upon v. That means velocity is xg upon h. This was for first case. So now if I take ratio, v1 upon v2 will be x1 upon x2 g same into h2 by h1. v1 is v, v2 I have to find, x1 is x, x2 is 2x, h2 is 2h, h1 is h. This will get cancelled and we get answers. v2 is same as. Has everybody followed 23rd now?
Yes, sir.
Whenever projectile, आपका दिमाग में क्लिक होना चाहिए दो मोशन है, horizontal vertical, and all are covered in same time. तो जितना horizontal cover करेगा जितना time पे उतने time पे vertical भी cover करेगा. That concept I have used and completed. Now copy.
Sir, 23 का answer is C.
Root 2v.
Yes, sir. I also got root 2v.
23rd. Some mistake I did. Distance covered is, अरे हाँ वो t square नहीं लिखा ना मैंने, sorry.
X square upon V
नहीं
square.
नहीं मैंने बराबर किया, t square नहीं लिया ना, तो square square.
Yes.
ये square square होगा, ये square square हो जाएगा, ये square square हो जाएगा, x square, x square ये 4x square, कैंसिल होके फिर हो गया a square v2 square, square हो गया. So we get v upon v2. This is 1 upon 4. So v upon v2 when you take square root, 1 by root 2. So v2 is root 2. By mistake that t square I took only as.
Done, sir.
Then I will send after the lecture full solution so that you can see the solution, and then after seeing solution, whichever you don't get, you can ask so that we can save our time. After this, after 24,
So 26.
very important sum. Not difficult if you just understand this problem. The coordinates, x coordinates are x equal to 80 square and y equals to 80 square. We want velocity at any instant. So if you remember, I told whenever you want velocity, पहला derivative लेना. Any instant मतलब t t है. Start का पूछा रहेगा तो t 0 कर देना. So dx by dt will become 280. So velocity in x direction at any instant is 280. I hope this much you have followed. Correct? इतना आ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Y is pt square. pt square. तो इसका derivative with respect to time is 2dt. So velocity in y direction is 2dt. Net velocity is dx square plus dy square in u because dx dy are better. So 280 square plus 2 dt square in u. So this is 4a square, or we can take 2p common. Inside you will get a square plus b. 2p a square plus b square is option A.
Done, sir.
After this will come
So 30.
30.
also good. Very good. A stone with weight W is thrown vertically upward in air from ground level. Weight is W. With initial speed of V naught. A constant force F due to air drag acts on stone throughout its flight. The speed of stone just before impact with the ground. मतलब ये एक मैक्सिमम हाइट पे जाएगा, फिर यहाँ से यू टर्न मार के फिर से नीचे आ जाएगा. Vertical distance upward and downward is same. When it reaches here, its final velocity becomes 0. Now to this stone thrown upward, drag is its weight W acting downward, and drag is F. This two are dragging force acting. When it is coming down, initial velocity becomes 0. Final velocity we have to calculate. In this case, force acting is weight downward, drag is opposite to the motion, acting upward direction. It is constantly dragging it. मतलब ऊपर जा रहा है तो नीचे खींच रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है तो ऊपर खींच रहा है. ये दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट समझा? So, these two concepts clear?
Yes, sir.
Now for upward motion, distance covered is same as in downward motion. Final velocity is 0. So v square is u square plus 2as, final is 0. Initial is v naught plus 2 acting downward, so I will take minus net. W and F are acting in downward, they are force, I will divide by mass to get acceleration. Into height is h in downward, minus h. So we get v naught square minus, sorry, h is plus equals to minus of 2h w plus f upon m. Let this be our equation for downward motion. Again same, v square I don't know, u is 0 plus 2, acceleration is acting downward, let So W minus F, because W should be greater since it is coming downward. Downward force is greater. Upon mass gives me acceleration minus H. Coming downward minus H, velocity in downward will be also minus H. Acceleration in downward. So V square equals to 2 times W minus F upon M into L equation. So if you divide the two, you get V square upon V naught square, 2 by M cancel, W minus F upon W plus F. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So V upon V naught will be W minus F upon W plus F power half. So V is V naught W minus F W plus F raised to half. This is option B also. W minus F option A. Important is direction. Drag is always opposite to the motion and weight is always acting downward. So for upward motion, both forces were downward, so I added them. In downward motion, one is up, other is down. Because it is coming down, downward is greater, W minus. And then V square equal to U square 1 upon 7. Right. So Monday's test you are knowing or coming Monday's test?
Yes, sir.
What topic I have told? Measurement, scalar vector, motion in 1D, motion in 2D, circular motion, gravitation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Done, sir.
After this,
So 31.
31.
had I told you what is meaning of component? I think this we have written in synopsis. Component of A bar along B bar is nothing but A cos theta. याद है?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अभी तो फिर आ जाएगा. Now A bar dot B bar is AB cos theta. Therefore A cos theta is A bar dot B bar upon B. A bar is 2I cap plus 3j cap. Its dot with I cap plus j cap upon B का magnitude is 1 square plus 1 square. मतलब ये I का coefficient 1, j का coefficient 1, 1 square. So it is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 upon root 2. 5 upon root 2 है क्या? 5 upon root 2 है. Option आंसर अलग दिया है क्या?
No, sir, it's C only.
See, this year exams will not be that difficult, but competition will be tough because many students might have got up late. That means after 12th exam got scrapped, they might have started putting maximum effort. So that's why be careful, do well planned work, execute that planning. No casual approach will give you the result. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आज का टेस्ट कल देंगे परसों देंगे क्या होएगा, वैसा मत करो. Because when you are giving tests regularly, you understand where you are lagging behind, and that should be cleared. After 31, which sum you want?
33.
Again, very good sum. Satyasha, yaad hai, I have done this for you earlier also.
I got half of it, but पूरा नहीं आया.
No, what I am telling you, this is your last minute revision वाला sum. So exam के 10 दिन पहला क्या करना है? Whichever you are asking. Because जो नहीं पूछ रहे मतलब आपको आ गया ना perfect.
Yes, sir.
Whichever you are asking, एक बार उसको वापस देखना क्या I am remembering or not. 33. The relation between x and t is equal to ax squared plus bx, where a and b are constant. Find acceleration. The acceleration means second order derivative of displacement with respect to time. ये तो मालूम है आप लोगों को. Correct ना? This we are knowing.
Yes, sir.
So here I will get dt with respect to dx. मतलब उल्टा आएगा velocity का reciprocal. So first step that I am doing, dt upon dx. It is 2ax plus b. So this is 1 upon v is 2ax plus b. I hope you followed this. So v equals to 1 upon 2x plus b equation 1. Anybody who has not followed till this?
Followed, sir.
dt with respect to x. Okay. अभी देखो एक्सेलरेशन का ना अपने पास दो फॉर्मूला है. v dv by dx को भी एक्सेलरेशन बोलते हैं, पता है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
A is d square x upon dt square. So I know that dx by dt is v. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So that you know, d into dv by dx is also equals to acceleration.
Yes, sir.
So A is v dv by dt. If I multiply by dx divide by dx, ये क्वांटिटी v हो गया. तो v dv by dx को भी इंटू एक्सेलरेशन. अब ये v मिला, इसका dv by dx कर दो और v से मल्टीप्लाई तो मुझे एक्सेलरेशन मिल जाएगा. लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी dv by dx. लेट अस सी. आर यू नोइंग डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square? Did you know?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा इसमें मैथ है ना, इसलिए कंफ्यूजन. What is derivative of x raised to n? X raised to n derivative. This is
n
the
into x raised to n minus 1.
formula. It is n into x raised to n minus. What is derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. No? What is derivative of x raised to n? You told x n raised to n minus 1. मतलब formula. फिर x raised to root x का क्या है? डायरेक्ट 1 upon 2 root x. x raised to minus 1 और 1 upon x का minus 1 upon x square. log of x का 1 by x. थोड़ा सा याद रखना. So this is equals to dv by dx equals to minus of 1 upon x square. And again derivative of this bracket. That means d by dx of 2ax plus b. Means if this quantity is not x, ये पूरा x नहीं है, तो फिर से उसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है. ओके, ये लाइन समझ में आया? Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. But here if it is x square plus something else, तो फिर से उसका डेरिवेटिव other than x होगा. तो ये किया मैंने काम 2ax plus b d by dx. Yes, both are in followed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My dv by dx will become minus of what is 1 upon 2x plus b is b na? है ना?
Yes.
That means this is v square. ये वाला टर्म ये v square हो गया फिर तो 1 upon 2x plus b is v square is the v square. Now derivative of 2x plus b is 2a. So b dv by dx will be minus v square into 2a into v. This is the acceleration minus 2a v cube. हो गया पहला वाला आंसर. This is called acceleration. Option A. Ashish now followed.
Yes, sir.
This is, as I am telling, whichever you are asking me as a doubt, please write in some book. Heading should be last minute revision. Before the exam, 10 days before that, these are the only sums which you are going to revise, not anything else. See, at this stage, everybody is equally talented. Now, one who is doing planned work, and at last moment, if the God is on your side, no mistake you do, silly mistakes, with your blood pressure at proper level, you'll be able to complete the paper correctly. Otherwise, there will be silly mistakes. So that's why please do regularly, have confidence in you, and don't be worried कि I am not better than others. Feel that you are best. उसको किसी को बहुत ज्यादा आता रहेगा, कुछ मीनिंग नहीं है, पेपर इजी आने वाला है. Somebody might be doing JEE main, JEE advanced का सम, और आपको डर लगता रहेगा I am not able to. Forget about that.
Done, sir.
After 33,
39.
39.
Yes.
See, whenever you have to find angle, always use dot product. So we want angle between I cap, j cap plus k cap and j cap. So that means angle of this with y axis you want ना. मुझे तो डायरेक्टली भी याद है ए वाई अपॉन ए करना. मतलब अगर ये ए है, y एक्सिस है ना j कैप, तो ए वाई अपॉन ए. बट सपोज इट डजंट लिंक, so I am just telling एकदम simple. Give the name to this vector as a and to this vector as b. Now a bar dot b bar is ab cos theta. So cos theta is a bar dot b bar upon ab. I cap plus k cap plus k cap divided by b is j cap upon root of magnitude of a is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, b is 1 square, so it will be just I into 0, 1 upon root 1 upon root 1 square 1 square 1 upon root. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here तो none of these होगा. अगर वो जो मेथड मैंने बताया ए वाई अपॉन ए से अगर करना है, ए वाई इज नथिंग बट वाई कॉम्पोनेंट का मैग्नीट्यूड 1 एंड ए का पूरे का मैग्नीट्यूड √3। ठीक है, शॉर्टकट था ये कैसा समझा? इसको मैंने ए वाई एक्सिस है ना, तो एंगल मेड बाय लाइन विथ वाई एक्सिस इज ए वाई अपॉन ए, और कुछ नहीं क्लिक होता है तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट। वेन एवर वी वांट एंगल टेक डॉट प्रोडक्ट। हियर आंसर नन ऑफ these is the answer given same.
Yes, sir.
After 39,
Sir, 43.
area of the triangle formed by the side.
Sir, I did not get 41 also. After this, it's okay.
41 and then 40. A body starts from rest with uniform acceleration. The velocity of body after t-second becomes starts from rest to its zero with uniform acceleration. A. After t-second, velocity becomes v. The displacement of the body in last t-second. Displacement of the body in last. What is meaning of in last 3 seconds? Total 3 second minus t minus 3 second will be last 3 second.
Yes, sir.
So if I find distance covered from the start in t second, distance covered in t minus 3, then st minus 3 is distance covered in last 3 seconds. Is this logic clear?
Yes, sir.
अभी स्टार्ट से कर रहे इससे u 0 है, तो अपना s का फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा? 3 सेकंड में हाफ at स्क्वायर
Yes, sir.
and t minus 3 में half a t minus 3 the whole square. Correct?
Yes.
That means it will be half a t square minus half a t minus 3 square. Half a common t square minus t minus 3 the whole square. But I require my answer in v and t. So acceleration is v minus 0 upon t into this t square minus t square plus 6t plus 9. T square cancel. So this will be half of d by t 6t. You can take 3 common, t plus 3. Let me check in which format they want. 3v कॉमन लिया हर एक में, तो 3v कॉमन लेके 2t अंदर रख लेता हूँ. दिस इज t अपॉन 2t प्लस 3 अपॉन 2t. Therefore 3v V into first term will be 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2t. So this I am getting as 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2t. If you bring 2 outside, three b upon 2 1 plus 3b upon 2 1 plus 3 by 2. Which option? 3b upon 2 1 plus 3 upon 2. Is the answer B? Hello, answer is D.
So they
Sir,
have
it's
given
C.
C.
माइनस हाँ ये माइनस आएगा ना when you open the bracket this should be minus 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 2 is inside एक मिनट मैं फिर से करता हूँ, हो गया आंसर distance covered in last 3 seconds is distance covered in t seconds and in t minus 3 seconds. So this is half at square minus half t minus t square. Half a common inside t square minus t minus 3 the whole square. Half of a v by t into t square minus t square minus minus plus 60 plus will become minus 9 which is 10. So we get b upon 2t into 6t. I'm taking 3 common. 3 into 2 is 6. 2t minus 3. So this equals to 3 outside and take 2t inside. So 2t upon 2t minus 3 upon 3v 1 minus 3 upon 2t which is option. Okay, option 3. Now follow.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद 43.
Done.
What is the area of triangle formed by the sides A and B? Area of triangle is half of A bar cross B bar magnitude. So first A bar plus B bar equals to I cap, J cap, K cap. A vector component are 2, minus 3, 4 and B vector are 1, 0, minus 1. So I cap bracket minus J cap bracket plus K cap bracket. For I cap, forget about I and go to the other two terms. Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3, 4 and this is 0. For J cap, forget J wala column. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 4 into 1 will become minus 4. And for K, 2 into 0 is 0, minus minus plus 3. So 3 I cap minus 6 plus 6 J cap plus 3 K cap. So magnitude of A bar cross B bar will be root of 3 square plus 6 square plus 3 square. That is 9 36 plus 9 into 9 and 9, 18. 18 and 36 will become 54. Root of 54. That is half. The area of triangle will be half of root of 54. That is root 54 upon 4 under here. 4 into 1 is 4. Remainder 1. 4 3 are 12. Remainder 2. Root of 13.5. Same answer?
Yes, sir.
Now which one you want? First complete this, then say.
Done, sir.
After this, which one you want?
Done. Till 50.
Projectile is projected with initial velocity. Find horizontal. A projectile is projected with initial velocity 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. G is given 10. Find the horizontal range. Now, whenever they give you something in values, compare it. So, comparing with u bar is ux I cap plus uy j cap. X component is 6. Y component of initial velocity 8. R is 2 times ux into uy upon g. That is 2 into 8, 6 into 8 upon 10. 8 into 6, 48 into 2, 96 upon 10, 9.6. See, this is same as that u square sin 2 theta 0 upon g. इसको 2 sin cos लिख सकते हैं. तो एक कंपोनेंट x है, दूसरा y.
Done, sir.
Now till 50 we have done. I told only till 50 for today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next class we'll practice further 50, but I will send the solution of further 50, so that minimum doubt will be there with you and we can complete in the one day. So tomorrow as usual, same chapter, but after completion of this, we'll start with law of motion and then work, power, energy. That will complete everything. Still, I will not leave you. We'll keep on revising 5 days before the exam. So that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow.